All right, let's get started. The first step is to poach the chicken in broth. You'll need a saucepan and a dish. First, put the chicken stock into the saucepan. Add the chicken and the chorizo. Then bring the stock to a boil over moderate heat. Reduce to low heat, simmer for about 5 minutes, then turn off the heat. Transfer the chicken and the chorizo to the dish. Set the stock aside for later. When the chicken is cooled down, remove the skin and set it aside. Tear the meat into thin strips. The next step is to slice the chicken skin and the chorizo. You'll need a cutting board and a kitchen knife. Thinly slice the chicken skin. Slice the chorizo thinly. That's it for preparations. Place the stock you cooked the chicken in over moderate heat and bring it to a boil. Break the vermicelli into 1 1/4 inch lengths and add them to the soup. Simmer the vermicelli noodles over moderate heat for about 3 minutes until they're soft. When the vermicelli is cooked, add the chicken meat, skin, and the chorizo and heat through. Season to taste with some salt and pepper. Pour the soup into serving bowls and garnish with finely chopped Italian parsley. It's ready to eat. Well done!